Hello and welcome to another update video about Kaspa. Yeah, we haven't covered Kaspa for a while, but also not too much happened. Okay, so the idea was still also communicated in the last video that we could get one more extension higher here in well, after another 4-5 pattern. So this wave 4 seems to be unfolding right now. I think this only started to unfold in the last few days, and yeah, so far my take is that one more high is still ideal in this wave 5 of circle wave 5. It is technically possible that then a more substantial top is in place, okay? Of course, further extensions are always possible. It is, I have to say, a pretty difficult overall structure. If it just keeps pushing above 25 cents, I might have to make some adjustments here. At the moment, I see it as a larger A, B, C structure, and it is always uncertain what happens after a C wave completes. To be honest, the 100% extension level of the A wave, which is a key target for wave C, that points towards 38 cents. Yeah. So please be aware of that. It's, however, a level where I don't really have a good view of the microstructure. So the only idea I have is that if it continues to extend, is that this move here, this C wave is unfolding as an ending diagonal. But anyway, the trend is up, so I always give you the relevant support levels against which we can focus on higher. Only recently we had a great setup, which was this one here, and we had a breakout, and now we have another 4-5 pattern. This was also a 4-5 pattern, but it's the larger degree. This is the smaller wave degree. And yeah, I mean, micro support is now between 13.5 cents and 16.1. We've already had a reaction to the 23.6 fib level. And yeah, I mean, wave 4 could really be in at any time. The wave 2 also isn't massive in duration. So the wave 4 also could be similar size, yeah. Let's say similar duration before then wave 5 happens. And I would still see the 25 cent level as an ideal target. It seems quite extended for a fifth wave of a fifth. However, the larger degree target of circle wave 5 points towards that. So it can always be that there's another 1-2 setup hidden in here, or I would rather go with the larger degree one. But please be aware, we are now in all-time high territory. So of course, price discovery phase, not always are ideal targets reached, but I'd like to see that, and I will change my perspective if the price breaks below that 50% Fibonacci level, because a wave 4, which this one likely is here, the smaller degree wave 4, should not break below that 50% fib level, as you probably know. If it happens, it's likely something else. I mean, something that can always happen is that after 5 waves, we get further extensions, but we haven't got clear 5 waves yet. And if we have, then a break below 13.5 cents means at least that some kind of a top is in place. Yeah, we can then explore other bullish options. But in the most straightforward way, we would see further direct continuation as we did here as well. Bear in mind, it's a bullish market. Generally, the coins have a tendency to follow a breakout scenario, even if setups are not always clear. But yeah, I mean, the parameters are clearly defined, and obviously a break above 18.8 cents, the recent high, would suggest that we're on our way to 25.7 next. That's just a quick update about Kaspa. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.